Welcome back to another episode of our digital transformation series for SMBs. Today, we'll cover a common trap, thinking that CRM used only to register clients and generate invoices is enough to run your business. Yes, it helps to organize the sale, but the real turning point doesn't happen when you issue an invoice. The real secret of a successful business is what happens after the sale. What's the point of selling if deliveries are disorganized, deadlines are missed, returns pile up, and customers churn? That destroys your margins and weakens your brand. A healthy business requires cash predictability, recurring revenue, and consistent deliveries. Without these, you may sell a lot, but you won't achieve stability. That is why an invoice CRM alone won't solve it. It shows that the sale happened, but doesn't guarantee quality execution. The result is cancellation, refunds, and less predictable revenue. This was another episode of our digital transformation series for SMBs. In the next video, I will show you how tasks and document organization unlocks efficiency and prevent these problems. See you there!